Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Hi guys, it's Jane. I am here for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday 1A in room 503 at 2:30. Today we will be doing listening. Alright, so I want to start off first by doing a little vocabulary quiz. So please pull out a piece of paper. Alright? Okay, so let's go ahead and start this. Number 1, hospital, hospital. Number 2, playground, playground. Number 3, market, market. Number 4, school bag, school bag. Number 5, behind, behind. Number 6, next to, next to. Number 7, in front of, in front of. Number 8, under, under. Number 9, bathroom, bathroom. And number 10, library, library. Alright, so now I will write the answers on the board. Please use a red pen to check. So number 1, hospital, hospital, hospital. Number 2, playground, playground. Number 3, market, market. Number 4, school bag, school bag. Number 5, behind, behind. All right. Number 6, next to, next to. Number 7, in front of, in front of. Number 8, under, under. Number 9, bathroom, bathroom. And number 10, library, library. All right, so go ahead and check out those words. Sorry, my Y is a little light. There we go, library. All right, next, if you will turn to page 83 in our book, we will go over our homework. So, page 83. 83, please. All right. So it says, hi, Julie. Are you going to school? Yes, I am. Where is your school? It is behind the hospital. It is behind the hospital. Where is your classroom? Classroom. It is next to the library. Next to the library. Where is your teacher? Where is your teacher? There she is, standing in front of the bus. Standing in front of the bus. Okay? Julie, where is your school bag? School bag. Oops, I left it at home. Home. Alright? So go ahead and check your answers. See how you did. Hopefully pretty good. Okay, now we are going to learn our new vocabulary words on page 84. 84. So if you turn to page 84, we're going to start by talking about things that are in your room. So, look around your rooms and tell me, what do you see? Do you see a bed, a desk, bookshelf? What do you see? All right? So, the 4 words I want you to write are look for, picture, room, and where. Okay? These are the new words you will be using for our vocabulary for Unit 20. Alright? The other words are number 1, closet. Closet. Number 2, clothes. Clothes. Number 3, table. Table. Number 4, bed. Number 5, key. Number 6, lamp. Lamp. So these are your vocabulary words for page 84. Alright? Alright, once you have those written down, look at page 85. We're going to start by listening to the CD and selecting the best answer based on what the speaker is saying.
Listen. Unit 20. What's in your room? Listening practice 1.
Hi, Julie. Hi, Kyle. Come in. Let's go to my room. What things are in your room? Well, there is a bed, and next to it is the closet. Next to the closet is the desk. Wow, you have many things in your room. What things are on your desk? There are books, pencils, and a picture of me. I have brought some flowers for you. Can I put them on your desk? Sure. Thanks so much.
Listening practice 2.
Alright, so what furniture is not in Julie's room? A bed, a desk, a sofa, or a closet? A sofa. Good. What is not on the desk? Books, pencils, a a doll or a picture of Julie? A doll. Good job. Next, you see there is a picture of Julie's room. We need to add the missing items. So here, we already see her closet, right? So we have a closet, her rug, but what's missing? That's right, we need to add a bed. So here is Julie's bed. All right? What about on her desk? Do you remember what they said was on her desk? Well, this is a desk, and yeah, that's a desk. And here's the chair. Beautiful. So what should be on the desk? That's right. We have some books. So we'll put our books there. Yep. Pencils. That definitely looks like a pencil. Yeah. Doing great. A picture of Julie. Do-do-do-do-do. Wow, Julie looks fantastic. And then, remember, what else did she get? Flowers. So yeah, let's throw some flowers on her desk. Beautiful. It looks great, doesn't it? All right, we're going to listen to the next track and select whether the answers are true or false.
1. Where is the picture? The picture is next to the bed. 2. Where are the shoes? The shoes are on the box. 3. Where is the table? The table is behind the oven. 4. Where are your keys? My keys are on the book.
All right, so number 1, the picture is next to the desk. True or false? The answer is false. Where was it? That's right, next to the bed. Number 2, the shoes are in the box. True or false? False. The shoes are on the box, right? The shoes are on the box. Number 3, the table is behind the oven. True or false? True. And number 4, the keys are under the book. True or false? False. Where are they? That's right, on the book. Good job. Turn to page 86.
Practice 3.
1. Jackie is standing beside the house. 2. The telephone is on the table. 3. The books are under the bag. 4. There is a lamp next to the armchair.
All right, guys. So, on the top of page 86, we said she is next to the house. The phone is on the table. The bag is on the books, and the lamp is next to the armchair. Armchair is another word for seat, like chair, comfy chair that has arms on it. Okay? All right. Next, we are going to do listening practice 4, and we want to fill in the blanks as we hear them. All right?
Listening practice 4.
Mom, do you know where my pencil case is?
Isn't it on your desk?
There is only a book on my desk.
Maybe it is on your bed.
There is only my toy car on my bed.
Well, how about under the bed?
I found it.
Where was it?
It was under the clothes under the bed.
Alright, so, number 1. What is the girl looking for? She is looking for her pencil case. Her pencil case. Right? What is on the desk? There is a book on the desk. Good. What is on the bed? There is a toy car on the bed. Toy car. So where was it? It was under the clothes, under the bed. All right. Double check your answers. All right. So, for homework, you are to do page 87, all right? So, I want you to listen to the dialogue for step 3. Practice saying it at home, and practice with your mom, your dad, or your brother or sister, okay? And start talking about the things you see in your room, all right? And then also, I want you to do step 4, listen and write, okay? And we will check that at the beginning of next class. We will also have a vocabulary quiz over the vocabulary that we learned at the beginning of Unit 20. And also, I want you to do the dictation for Unit 20, all right? And I will check this in person the next time I see you guys, all right? So I hope I see you next time. Until then, take care.
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.